Yo YouTube, it's me from Pint of Stuff, and I'm coming right back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing. It's a bit of a dunk high. We're going to speed up about now. Okay, we're back. SJ, over to this camera, please. So we are on a little bit of a purple box, a bit of a GR really. So we've got a Nike SB Dunk High Pro. They are white, black, infrared. And because these are a high, I'm happy that they're a UK 11. That makes them a US 12. And the code is CZ2253100. SJ, back to the middle. So, so these are what they call. They're called the TV signal, a dunk high. But why? Sorry. Trippy as. So what, the first thing about these people, before we go, is, I don't know if it's working under these lights, but, oh my word, I can't, so TV signal, that's what they're known as. They, from what I'm believing, and what I've read, oh God, my eyes are absolutely tripped out by these. They're not coming out in the US, everyone. They're not coming out in the US. In fact, we'll come back to the alternate lace one because the alternate lace is amazing. And we're just going to loosen this off. We're going to loosen it off because, everyone, I want to come in. So we've got, first of all, SJ, let's go this camera. And they're known as the TV signal. They've got these on the side. I don't know if you can see that. They've got lenticular panels. And that's a particular type of, basically, the panels are sort of, they're basically refracting light. And actually, if you look on YouTube and you look up invisibility shield, it's the same technology. It's the same technology. I don't know if you had, like, if you ever went to a museum as a kid and you picked up a ruler and you bought like one of those nasty rulers. This is the same thing. So, listen to this. It's that sort of technology. But anyway, there you go. But these aren't coming out in the US. Oh my, like, they're really freaking my eyes out. The other thing I want to point out, everyone, just so you can see, the leather on the toe box, which is where the bulk of the leather is. I don't know if you can take that in, SJ. Can we just give it a squeeze? Can we give it a squeeze just so, like, look how soft it is. It's really nice. Now, I know these aren't everyone's cup of tea, but we can see that we've got this swoosh. We've got this swoosh. Patent swoosh. I've lost for words today. Oh, I got right. I don't know if this is coming across on the camera. Oh, let's try the middle one because it is absolutely... Oh, can you see that moving? Can you see it? Like, if I go like this, it's really screwing my eyes. Let's go to this one, SJ. So it's a Dunk High Pro, purple box, as we think. As always, they're laced up. Oh, hello. We're going to come back to the middle, SJ. So I'm going to try and unlace them because the inner sole is a thing, and they're also different each shoe as well. So we might have to show you that, everyone. So I'm gonna unlace them, and these definitely were a bit of a Marmite shoe. And if you're in the US, that means you either love them or you hate them. And look, I'm giving them a good stretch because I want to get the paper out, and then I want to get the inner sole so you can see it. Because it was like, you know, when the TV signal used to go ugh, like mad. So have a look. Right, so let's just take this off here so you can see. I'm just going to stick that under there. So first of all, have a look at that. Like, look how trippy it is. You can't really see, but if you come right in close. In fact, actually, what about this camera over here? If we come right in, you can see as well, you've got the time there on the bottom. You see it? Do I come in? You got that, haven't you, everyone? You've got that. So while we we put that back in. I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's become a member of the channel. Can you believe it? We've got people who are members. And that means you get a little sort of shout out and stuff, and you get special emojis and things. And emotes and all of that stuff. Emotes, not emotes, but you get special little badges and things, and it really helps the channel. And those badges show up on our Sneaker Streaming Sunday, which is at 8 p.m. UK time. That is 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast, and we talk about sneakers and stuff. So, like, first of all, I am going to do this. Can we see the diff? No, we can't. We're going to go over here, SJ, and we're going to balance them so that people can see the difference. Oh, it's really, these are the hardest ones we've done for ages. Just gonna balance that on there like that. Look at that. Ta-da! And then if we come in with this one, can we come in with that one? You could. No, we can't. But what I hope you can also all see is, like, look at that lace. Look at that coral infrared virtually lace, and I think they're going to look absolutely. They're much better than the black laces. So have a look at the heel, because it is really, really odd. Oh, it's so annoying that you can't see that. What I'm seeing, and my eyes are just like going absolutely loopy. But yeah, and of course, people, don't forget to subscribe, because it's somewhere down here, and it does really help us. And I do know some of you have hit the notification bell, but the rest of you, you should do that, because we do tend to upload relatively regularly. And what that will mean is you'll get notified when we do these. So, oh, my nose has gone all haywire, everyone. It's because the sun is out in the UK, or a little bit of sun in the UK, and that means the pollen count is like going through the roof. So what do you all think? For you or not for you? And I'm just going to get this one. Like, you must be able to see the difference there, because you see the green down here. We see the difference there. Oh, Jesus. I can't look at these people. I really can't. I think this is a really interesting dunk. Is it like one of the best ones that they've done this year? I don't think it is. I'm going to be honest with you. Is it going to win Dunk of the Year? Or sorry, Pint of Stuff's bought Dunks of the Year. Those that know when that happens. Some of you still a little bit salty. About what won the Pint of Stuff community. That Pint of Stuff bought Dunk of the Year last year. God, that's a bit of a mouthful. I need a better way to describe that, everyone. I really do. I need a much, much better way. But let us know in the comments. Did you pick these up? Are you really wanting these and you're in the US? Like, what are you thinking about the fact that not all Dunks are releasing in the US? You know, that's odd when you think of the size of the US, the market there. They really must be having trouble with the shipping. And this is just like, I think these are going to look really interesting to wear. I don't know how they'll skate. I don't know how that will. Oh God. Anyway, people, let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to join. Hit the join button if you're on the old desktop thing, and we will see you in the next video probably. Oh no! Wait! Don't go away. There's probably going to be a video lurking on this side, and so. If you want to go and watch one of those from us, that would really help us out. Anyway, people, let us know. Whoop!